Hi everyone, I'm Sandra, part of the education team here at Caryl Baker Visage, and today I'm going to share with you all how to properly care for your cosmetic brushes. To get started, you're going to use 1 to 3 pumps of the SIGMAGIC brush shampoo. Pop that open, do 1 to 3 pumps, and on the cleansing mat, we're going to remove any of the makeup residue. So step 2, you're going to rinse thoroughly with warm water. So to reshape your brush, rinse out any excess water and lay flat to dry. So here's a fun fact for everyone. When determining what brush to use for the face or the eyes, just take a look at the printed code on the actual brush. Anything that starts with the letter F is designed for your face. Anything with the letter E is designed for your eyes. And there you have it everyone, how to properly care for your cosmetic brushes. To purchase any one of these featured Sigma brushes and accessories, please contact any one of our local face spas. Thanks for watching.